Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me today. I have been getting a lot of questions about how I organize my a la carte templates. And I know the more you get and the longer that you're part of the Kiwi Club, the more complex that becomes. So I know a lot of people are really big fans of the boxes and the storage sleeves. And I do use those. I actually use them for other things. But I like to be able to have my a la cartes very visible. So I created this. This is actually a 3-ring binder from Close to My Heart, and it's just a soft vinyl on the front. I was able to use some of their iron-on vinyl, their heat set vinyl, to cut the Kiwi Lane logo on my Cricut. And I keep all of my a la cartes in sleeves that you could use for pocket scrapbooking. So I have just kind of modified this, and I change it as my collection grows. But each one of the pockets top loads, and I have put in a piece of just black cardstock so that the templates show up well and the pockets are not see-through. And this seems to work pretty well for me. I don't try to put them in the back because what I found is when you're trying to put things like back here and you can't really see, that just wasn't working well for me. So I do just the front side of them, and I kind of have everyday templates first. So things I could use on mini pages, I try to keep towards the front. And when things come as a set, sometimes I keep them together, like these are all the puzzle ones, and I do have them all together, but there are sets that I split up just because I won't necessarily use them in that combination in the future. So this one is all like containers, kitchen related items, the fruit. So this is a lot more that would have to do with maybe Valentine's Day, Easter, just kind of being together, and then of course that contagion one. So kind of springy typically. Lots of my florals here. This is all the sunflowery ones and the fence and butterfly and a hummingbird. So that seems to work pretty well for those. Then we get into more what I would consider summery templates, things for travel, the shine, stuff for like 4th of July. So just kind of, that's the way I did those. Kind of these ones would be my beachy ones. I've got that nautical set here and just a couple of frames and borders and that ribbon template. The one exception that I have, I do use the back side of this one because it is open and easy to get into up at the top for those banners. And then these are all kind of more fall templates that are the a la cartes, kind of outdoorsy. Then we get into the Christmas and wintry ones. So like this is all the Wonderland, but I have it split up so that I can see a little bit more what I've got. I've been using these trees and these houses and other things. So more Christmassy, wintry ones. And then as you go, we get into some of the larger templates. So the sunflower and the vintage. This one I did use the back side again. I've got the compass there. The bouquet. keepsake on the back, and then the a la carte portrait and that big ampersand. All my hexagons are together, and then these fit just through the top. So I've got the a la carte sash and then the homemade, and then a couple of the borders that we've gotten through Club. This one is Cliffhanger, is on the back side here. So hopefully you can see that. And then that curly. Okay. And then these are just a few kind of Southwestern feeling ones that I have just kind of put together here. And beyond that, I just have some empty pages from things that I've moved around, and I figure eventually will end up full. So I hope that that gives you, kind of an idea about a way that you could organize yours, if it helps to see them out like this. So I hope that you guys are having a great day, and that I see you on my channel again sometime soon. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye.